How to remove all labels from Google Maps. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to remove all labels from Google Maps. First, open Google Maps on your PC using any browser. Now look at the bottom left corner and click on the layers icon. From the options, click on Satellite to switch the map view from default to satellite imagery. Then click on the layers icon again, and this time select More to see extra options. Here, you will see a checkbox that says Labels. This includes names of places, roads, and landmarks. Just uncheck this box to remove all the labels from the map. Now, your map will only show the satellite view without any names or markers. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.